What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook, and y'all read the title, man. Bitcoin, Solana, and Ethereum analysis. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome. Appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly crypto and altcoin analysis, but we also day trade over here. So we show you how to make passive as well as active income. So that means making money on the back end as well as making money on the front end. And I just want to give a special shout out to members and students. We went live earlier today. By the way, we go live every day, London session 3 a.m. EST on the same channel. We broke down this GBP New Zealand trade. This thing is just pumping. We just hit another TP, so I got to let them know after this video. But we just hit TP6. We just hit TP7 when I start this recording, though. But you can see here, again, the entry 5:33 a.m. You see the entry SL, the TPs, see the TPs getting hit. And I broke down in the New York price watch list. I go over all the trades we're in, as well as possible setups going into New York session. I go over whether you should look for buys or sells, as well as specific price points to look for entries and exits at. We also have a free signal, free Telegram. As you can see right here, this is how we did last month for May. We went 16-4, giving us an 80% win rate, cost 69,396 pips. You can see this by going to June 3rd. You can also see some student results and testimonial, and over 1,000 receipts of screenshots of student results, testimonials, screenshots of actual position of trades I took, screenshots of signals I called, all that good stuff. So make sure to hit that first link in the description and check all that stuff out. Now, that's how we did last month. Now, how we did quarter 1 to start the year off, we went 53-4, giving us a 93% win rate. January, we went 20-0, catching 37,620 pips. February, we went 17-1, catching 24,403 pips. Then March, we went 16-3, catching 49,783 pips, catching a total of 111,806 pips. You can see this by scrolling to April 4th. You click right here. You click right here, it's going to take you to the beginning of the year. Now, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. Now, y'all. Now, this video, we're going to be talking about specific price points to DC in and DC out at, as well as my analysis of where I see price going. Now, of course, it's not financial advice. Always do your own research, but I literally been telling y'all to get into Bitcoin since before the halving in April, and you would have got in at around 50,000, 70K, you'd be super up right now. Now, looking at Bitcoin has been just going absolutely bonkers, absolutely insane, y'all. As you can see that we have a clear uptrend going on. We have some consolidation here, higher low into a new higher high. So we're gonna be looking for price to continue to push up. So again, what we was talking about the past couple of weeks is we needed to break that 100,000 price range. Not only did we break that level, but we're going to a smaller time frame. We can see that we're now treating that level as support, which is a good sign. So again, we see price was treating this level as resistance, broke above, and now it's treating as support. So if price can maintain holding 100,000 as support, 102,000 as support, we can see 120, 140 get hit easily. Because again, if we just look at the most recent move on the month on a long-term basis, if it does even, we look at this move right here. We look at the previous higher high move, right? So it hasn't even done half. I mean, it's done half of that. It hasn't even done the full thing yet, right? So if it does the full move that it did previously, again, that's 120, 140 easily getting hit, y'all. All right, but it's got to maintain 100,000 as support. If it breaks past 100,000, we're not seeing 120 get hit before retracement, that is, right? Now, if it fails to hold this level of support, you can retrace back down to 88,000 or even down to 78,000, okay? Now, we do have a strong support level here at 72K, but I believe we broke and held that as support before we took off. Actually, no, we just blew through that, so we didn't really retest this level yet, but we have 2 strong levels it would have to break before we even could see that take place, okay, y'all? So make sure to pay attention to those price points. Yeah, we have strong wicks on the weekly as well, but yeah, we have a strong consolidation point, so it could try to retrace there, but that's just another sale, because even if it does do that, it is going to go back up to 120, 140,000. It's just a matter of if it's going to retrace first, then do it, or do it then retrace. You get what I'm saying? And when you think about it, it's better if it retraces now then goes back up, but you know, that's just me. But we'll see what happens. Now, looking at Ethereum could possibly explode this month as well, because again, we had a rejection twice of this resistance level. Price shot back up and is now treating this level as support. So if Ethereum can maintain 3,800 as support, we can see 4,200 get hit and possibly back up to the all-time highs at 4,680, possibly hitting 5K, right? Because again, we're going to a smaller time frame. We can see here how price each time it broke this level, failed to hold as support. So if it can break and hold this level as support, we can see the higher high come into play and break through easily, because again, we don't have a higher high yet. We have a reversal right back where we left off. So if price can hold this level as support, then we can see a higher high get hit. So again, if it does, even close to this previous move right here, again, we can see 5,000, 5,600 get hit easily. So it's going to be very interesting to see what happens, but it's going to have to break through this level here. It's going to have to break through that level there first. And then that brings us into Solana. Solana, very similar to Ethereum. Again, is right back at the all-time high. It had a huge push, consolidation for a few months, broke back above it. Right now it's retesting to see if it can maintain and hold this level as support. If it can maintain and hold 210, 215 as support, we can see price going back up to 260. And if it can hold 260 as support, we're seeing 300, 350 get hit easily, y'all. So again, if it fails to hold this level, it could try to retrace back down to 165 or even on the extreme 130. But it's got a little bit of it's going to have to take a huge rejection for that to happen. If we're to come all the way back up here and it's trying to hold right now, there's a higher likelihood that's going to try to break this level. But again, we just got to take it day by day. But again, pay attention to these price points. That way, if something does happen, whether it goes up or down, you know what to look out for and you understand what's going on. Y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join the free Signal, free Telegram. If you're interested in how to identify these levels, my Signal service and my mentorship programs, make sure to hit those links in the description. Y'all, we've been absolutely killing it. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Advanced Play Signal, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free Signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible setups going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this Signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now, I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now, all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now, I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the Advanced Play Signal Room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long, but you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded in an hour long and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.